Hey guys, I hope you can see that image okay. It looks pretty dark on my phone's screen, but it's hard to say. I'm suffering a little POTA confusion, and it arose after a really good and knowledgeable and really nice guy made several comments to my POTA videos, and he explained a few things to me, and then things started to make a little more sense. But then, I did a little reading about it, and dang, man, can I play by the official rules? Yeah, I can if I want to. And I thought I was, but obviously I wasn't, and that's fine. But what kind of sucks is I find out that all of those contacts I made in my outings, not a single one of them counted for anything. It was a waste, an utter waste. Or so if you're officially a POTA award chaser, then none of my contacts would have counted. But here's what leads to my confusion, okay? A few minutes ago, I took a snapshot, not using camera, on a piece of paper of all the people that were activating at the moment. I listed them, and then I scrolled down the page and listed all the and compared them to the listed activations, the scheduled activations. Only three of them were. I'll show you the list. But look at this list of activators right now at the current moment: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25. And if you look at today's activations, we can count them, but there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Okay, 15 official activations that were scheduled and 25 that are not. Well, some of those 25, I'm sure they are. But hang on, I'm going to pause you and place my list before you. One moment. Okay, I hope you can see that list. I hope you can read the writing. But when I did this list, when I compiled it, there were 17 scheduled activations, and there were 20 happening at the moment. Of those 20, only 3 were scheduled activations. So what about the other 17? Are they all rogue? And the number of listed activations, scheduled activations, always just completely pales in comparison to the number of activations, actual activations. So what's going on is what I wonder. Has the program become too official and others have just said, screw it, we're going to go out and do our own thing? Maybe somebody could educate me. I have a strong feeling the one fellow knows exactly what's going on, for he's experienced a little bit of this himself, he said. But I'm just confused. And so thanks for watching and listening. And I made a post, speaking of POTA contacts, I made one a little earlier on 20 meters using my 6-foot high dipole. I'll edit it in now. Take care. Have a wonderful day, guys. 73.
This is November 5 Bravo, Sierra Bravo, back to you. Hey, thank you for the contact.
November 8, November Kilo. QSL, QSL. QSL, you are 55, 55, 55 on my 6-foot high dipole, using my 6-foot high dipole. 73, old man. 73.